In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Ecwid store in just about 5 minutes. A favicon, or favorite icon, is that tiny image you see in the tab of your web browser. It's not only a branding opportunity, but also makes your site look professional and credible to shoppers. First things first, let's head over to Ecwid's official website. It's quite straightforward, just search for Ecwid and it should be the first result that pops up. Once you're on the Ecwid homepage, you'll see various options and information, but what we're interested in today is accessing your Ecwid control panel. To do that, you need to log into your account, so go ahead and click the login button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Now, Ecwid offers a convenient way to log in using your Google account. This is especially handy if you're juggling multiple accounts and passwords. Just select the sign in with Google option and choose the Google account you use to sign up for Ecwid. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, you might need to select from one of them, so make sure you choose the one associated with your Ecwid store. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the Ecwid dashboard or control panel. This is essentially the nerve center of your online store, where you can manage everything from products to orders to appearance settings. What we want to access for today's task is located under the Settings menu, so gently hover your cursor over Settings, and a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, click on Notifications. Now, you might be wondering why we're diving into notification settings when our goal is to update the favicon. Well, here's a little trick. Ecwid uses the logo you upload under email notifications as the favicon for your store. It's a 2-for-1 kind of deal. You get to update your store's email header logo and at the same time set your favicon. Once you click on notifications, navigate to the section where you're prompted to upload a logo. This is where you'll upload the image you wish to use as your favicon. Before you do this, ensure your logo is square and recognizable even at small sizes. I recommend keeping the dimensions around 32 x 32 pixels or 16 x 16 pixels for optimal results. Click on Upload Logo, select the image file from your computer and upload it. Ecwid will automatically update the favicon to your new logo. It might take a few minutes to see the change reflect on your store's tab because browsers cache favicons. A good tip is to clear your browser's cache or check your store in an incognito window to see the new favicon in action. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Ecwid store's favicon, which will now appear in browser tabs, bookmarks, and even on the home screens of mobile devices when your site is saved. This simple yet effective tip enhances your store's identity and makes it stand out in a sea of tabs, providing an extra layer of polish to your brand's online presence. Remember, the devil is in the details. Small changes like updating your favicon can profoundly impact how potential customers perceive your store. It's a testament to your attention to detail and commitment to providing a cohesive and professional shopping experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your Ecwid store. Until next time, keep optimizing your store and happy selling.